Cliniko this week. Let's jump right in. Our first update is in regards to patient file attachments. We've made some large behind-the-scenes changes that should make things feel a bit more snappier and responsive. For receptionists, this means you can also see a list of what has been uploaded. Just note, those file attachments can't be viewed or opened by receptionists unless the permission is granted by administrators via Settings, General Settings. If receptionists also ran into any bugs with file attachments this week, those have since been squashed. Also, for you developers out there, this change also means we're one step closer to opening file attachments in our API for you. You're welcome. Finally, we removed a bug that was displaying country names in various different forms, from using the formal version to a non-English version. It was like when you're in trouble with your parents and they use your full name.
Rachel, United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland Harkness, get in here right now.
This has since been fixed, but I would definitely start on those dishes if you haven't already. One moment. Those dishes have been completed, it's time for this week's tip of the week. This week, I'm here to show you how you can bring a little more attention to your online bookings page via Facebook. While you can integrate online bookings with your Facebook page via settings, integrations in Cliniko, we want to give a little bit more attention to how patients can book online with you. This involves updating the call to action button. To get started, all you'll need is to be on a desktop, have a Facebook page, and be an admin of said Facebook page. Let's get started. On Facebook, you'll want to make sure that you see this edit icon on the call to action button. This will make sure that you're able to go ahead and set up that book now button that we're going to create. Go ahead and click on that call to action button, then click other options. You'll then see a list of options that you can choose from, and we're going to pick the first one, which is book services. You'll then select book now. At this point, you'll be asked for your URL. This is going to be your online bookings URL that Cliniko provides you. To find this, head over to Cliniko, and then on the settings page, we're going to head over to online bookings. Then, on online bookings, you'll then see your URL under your bookings URL. Go ahead and copy and paste that URL, and head back over to Facebook. We're then going to copy that link in and then click Save Changes. You'll then notice that your call to action button has been updated and it now says Book Now. To go ahead and test this button to see what it's like for your patients, hover over that call to action and click Test Button. You'll then see the online bookings open up in a new tab. And that's it. And again, what's really great about this is that Book Now button will appear for both desktop and mobile patients who access your Facebook page. And that's all there is to it. Let me know if this tip was helpful and if there are any other tips you'd like to share and maybe see in my next video. Stay awesome, everyone, and I will see you next week. Bye!